Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm so excited. Ooh, let me get rid of that. I'm so excited for today's video. I did a full face of nothing over $15. So everything here is 15 or below, or I don't even think I have anything that is exactly 15. I think it's like 12 below. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love doing affordable videos for you guys just because it is more manageable for people to really get their hands on affordable products other than like high-end products, which are a lot more expensive. But the drugstore is getting more on the expensive side as the years go by. I have noticed like a lot of the products are definitely more expensive now than they were before when I first started my makeup journey, like my makeup life career. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Well, you can thumbs up the video at the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays between 3 and 4 p.m. I used to do a later time, but I started noticing like the earlier I upload, the more traffic I get on my channel. So don't forget to do all of that, and now let's get into the video. So like I mentioned, this video is going to be a under $15. I did under $10. Most of the products are going to be the same, except a few products. Well, actually, the majority of these products are not the same. Okay, I'm rambling now. I will have like a little screenshot of how much each product costs here. We're going to go start off with primer. I'm going to be using the Jelly Pop Dew Primer and the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Y'all can tell I love my e.l.f. products. And I actually have a full face of e.l.f. coming soon. I just ordered some new products. Well, not new, but oh yeah, I guess they're new. I haven't tried them, so I'm pretty excited. I also ordered the new CC Camel CC the Camel I can't speak. The CC Moisture Tinted, whatever it's called. The new CC cream they came out with. So I'm really excited to try that. Of course, I will be doing a review on it as soon as I get it. I'm going to go in with my brows. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Okay, and for brow cream, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. Okay, so for today's eyeshadow, we're going to be using two palettes. This one is $9 and this one is $12. Oh no, wait, I think it's the other way around. I will put the screenshots up here of how much they are, but I do know they are under $15. So this is the Makeup Revolution Neon Shadow Palette in Up All Night. And then this is the ColourPop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in It's My Pleasure. So we're going to be using these two for today's look. Everything I talk about here will be linked down below. So I'm going to go in with this palette. I'm going to go in with this middle shade first and kind of brush that all over the lid. Because yeah, like using a smaller brush is a lot better. I'm going to flick this outwards. And so then with a smaller brush, I'm going to go into this dark shade right here. Darker green shade here. So I want something a little more darker on the green side at least. I'm going to go into this palette. This is Just My Look. This is also under $15. And I'm just going to go in with this darker green right here. I'm just building this darker green up just to get that intensity that I really want. And don't worry about it looking messy. We are obviously going to go in and blend it out, clean it up, and all that jazz. So then I'm going to go and cut my crease. I haven't cut my crease in so long, you guys. Okay, so I finished cutting my crease. And now I'm just like making sure everything's pretty much dried down. So for the actual lid, so I think I'm going to go in with this purple right here for the lid. I'm going to be using this brush right here from BH Cosmetics to apply this. See if it works. So I'm just going to apply like kind of like a base for this, and then I'll go in again with my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to go in with the same shade and see if it makes a difference. You can see it already made a huge difference. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this middle shade right here and just tap it over all of this just to give it more of Okay, so I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished the eye. I think this side came out a little better than this side, but I still do have to clean this up. So we're gonna go ahead and clean. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the Poreless Putty Primer because I kind of did wipe it away with the wipes. And I kind of forgot to not do this part. I usually do this after I finish my eyes, but it's okay. So then for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And I'm going to use this brush from the brush set. I heard it's really good for a foundation, so we'll see. I'm not really liking it. Like kind of took away like most of the coverage of the foundation. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go in with my favorite one. Just finish blending this out. I just feel like I kind of lost most of my coverage using that brush, so maybe I'm using it wrong or something. I don't know. I kind of just like a brush where I can just really push it into my skin instead of swirling it around. I decided not to use my sponge today. Just use brushes for today's makeup. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Camel Concealer. This is original Camel Concealer. And I'm going to go in with medium beige. This one I do like to work in sections because I feel like it dries out so much quicker than the hydrating one. So you want to make sure it doesn't dry out because then it's going to be a lot harder to blend out. I really like both of these concealers from e.l.f. They're literally all I used this whole year. Well, the whole year of 2020. I keep forgetting we're not in 2020 anymore. It's such a weird chain. Like, the first few months of the year, you always forget. Like, you're actually in a new year. So, to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Matte Setting Powder. Really setting this under eye. To bronze my face, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline City Bronzer in 300. A little bit of this goes a very long way. I freaking love it. So for blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo Blush. Something like that. I can't remember what this is called. But this is in the shade Spiced Apple. I only used the blush out of this. But the blush is gorgeous. And these are so affordable. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with this loose highlight powder from Wet n Wild in Hustle and Glow. These are freaking phenomenal, you guys. These are so gorgeous. I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this cream gel liner from ColourPop in the shade Teaspoon. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Birdie Lash Liner So it's like a duo 2-in-1 liner and adhesive. And I'm going to be using her lashes. These are both $12. So it's right under the $15 mark. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to use these lashes, and these are in the style Dream. Let's just see how easy it is to pop these lashes on with the liner. So good. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop Lippy Pencil and Lippy Stick. The Lippy Pencil is in the shade Curvy. I believe this was one of I Love Sarai's collabs. And then I'm going to go in with Parker. I actually thought this was going to be more nude. So then I'm going to go set my face with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. I think this is a new. Yeah, it's new. Not like new, like a new product, just like a new bottle for me. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I am loving how this turned out. Very pretty. I haven't done a cut crease in a long time, and my lashes are already falling off. Wait, just 1 second, you guys. Okay, sorry, I had to go and retouch my lashes a little bit, but the overall look is done, you guys. I'm really happy with how this came out. Don't mind my hair. My hair is kind of crazy. I didn't really want to do anything to my hair because I am dyeing my hair later on tonight. But this is a full face of nothing over $15, you guys. I love my affordable products, and the majority of my makeup collection is affordable products. I don't really splurge on high-end products. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I am uploading 3 times a week all year this year. I am dedicated to staying consistent this year, and I hope you guys enjoy all my video content that I have coming out soon. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.